Hello and welcome to day 7 of the 7 days of spring. Today's the last day of our fun collaboration. I hope you've been playing along. It's been really cool watching everyone and their YouTube, seeing what everyone's making and posting pictures in the group. And today I have a special surprise. So I have our 7-day day 7 collab. I can't speak. So here's Julie's page and then my page for day 7, but I also made today's freebie to kind of go with the kit. It doesn't necessarily go with today with the bright blue, but a lot of the same images we've been using throughout the 7 days are here. So I have an envelope and then we can make a layered postcard here, a layered tag. Of course, you don't have to use them like that. And then there's some labels here. And then we have these, which I thought looked a lot like Julie's. I found these images and I made them kind of, look like Julie's things, even though they're digital and hers are scanned real images. I was like, oh my gosh, those look really similar to hers. And then we have these fun journaling cards and then more labels and all that kind of stuff. So I need to get these all cut out and ready to go, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Cut some things out. I have backed some things with some coffee dyed cardstock, and I have all my pieces. So this one, there were 2 of these, and I took one of them, folded it up to make it look like an envelope, added some lace, rounded the corners, and then I used one of the pieces of ephemera and it just tucks under like that. Probably do some stitching later. I guess I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Is this how I did it? I think so. However, then it will be, let's do it like this. Yeah, I like that. And then the yearbook part, or the, yearbook is going the right direction. Like that. Like that. And I think somewhere, there it is. We have this other label that we can glue on. Trimmed it, but I didn't trim it quite. Looked a little wonky. All right. Excuse me, I'm coughing again. Here we go. Let's glue this on. There we go. And then that's a little envelope tuck as well. I guess we should glue the sides. I think I'm going to glue over this top part just to make it a little more sturdy. So this. So that way, when we're putting things in and out of the envelope, yeah, then you can kind of put them in and not catch. Like this one, it works, but I feel like, I don't know, a little extra oomph is good. And I could sew around here if I wanted. That'd look cute. All right, those are good. I have from the Freebie Friday, I can make some layered tags. We have these ready to go. And then there's also a layered postcard. I like the postcard, super cute. And then I made these labels so you could kind of tuck them underneath. Let's see which ones. I think we'll use the green. Just trim out the corners of my little label. If you are interested in downloading the Freebie Friday, you can go to Cara, Brandon, and Friends. That's my Facebook group. And you can find them, the freebies from all the Fridays, since I've been doing freebies, in the files. And then I usually also have a post, like, you know, for today's Friday freebie. So you can either get it in the files or in the post in the Facebook group. And then you can post a picture and I will draw a winner and they'll win a 50% off coupon next Friday for anyone that uses this Friday's freebie. I want this under here like this, or maybe, yeah, let's put it over there. There we go. And then we'll stick this on. Yeah, I backed these with some or scrapbook paper. There we go. We could stitch around that. I think that'd be cute. So those are nice and thick. I like those. We need something on the top. Let's look through our fabric here. My son's playing video games. I might have to shut the door. Let's use this one. Is that too thick? Let's trim it down. That'll be good. All right, hold on. Let me shut my door. This on. And a little bit on the back. I'll trim this off. Just a little stitching around it and they'll be super cute. All right, so that one's good. I feel like I've been just repeating the same things I've been doing. Sometimes you just kind of do what you know, your favorites. But I know you're probably coming back saying, Cara, where are my brand new ideas? So I apologize. This time around it looks like I'm just doing my favorites. I think I need to fold that one like that. Okay, so that's ready, that's ready. Well, except for sewing, and now it's ready. I need to do something there. We have our envelope that's pretty much ready to go, or pocket really, in the journal. And then I think I might just leave my cards like this and just tuck them in the different parts of the journal. Lots of fun little things to tuck. Or do I want to label? I don't know. I think I'm going to leave him like this for now until I decide where to put him in the journal. All right. So today, we basically just made some journaling cards. We have these from Julie's kit, and then we put together the Freebie Friday. All right. It was super fun doing the 7 days of spring. Thank you for watching and checking out other people's participation as well. I hope you have fun, and I will come back soon. I've been working on the journal. let me know in the comments if you want to see my progress of the journal, or I might just do a flip through. We'll see. We'll kind of see how that goes, because I also want to start my Easter journal. All right, so anyway, have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.